Live from the world's capital market, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by Bony Academy.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Market Outlook. My name is Stevie French and here's what's happening in the markets today.
Gold entered 2024 under pressure from a jump in the US dollar, but held its ground on expectations the Federal Reserve will cut interest rates this year and rising concerns over attacks on shipping in the Red Sea. US job openings fell in November to their lowest level since March 2021, in a sign that America's resilient job market is continuing to cool. There were a seasonally adjusted 8.79 million job openings in November, the Labour Department reported. Circle's USDC dollar peg stablecoin fell to as low as $0.74 on 3 separate occasions, following a market-wide sell-off spurred by a report casting doubt over whether a spot Bitcoin ETF will be approved this month. It immediately snapped back to its $1 peg on Binance. The euro-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 4.5% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair gained 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair fell 0.5% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The US ADP employment change will be released at 13:15 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 13:30 GMT. Germany's harmonised index of consumer prices at 1300 hours GMT. Spain's 30Y bond auction will be released at 0940 GMT. Japan's Jiban Bank manufacturing at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's monetary base at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Tune in tomorrow morning for the latest news from the financial markets.